Okay, so we're continuing on with our exercise where it stopped. We created a new material and we're looking for brass satin. So we're going to change that, and I'm going to rename this material to brass. And I want to go under graphics and check use rendered appearance and then say okay. And then I'm going to switch to 3D mode, and I can see, you know what, and this really is supposed to be on this face. It's interesting that it put it on this face. So let's see if we can say pick new and put it on the other face. We can. What we need to do is go back to create, set the work plane, pick a plane, and then I want to pick the front face of this bench. So it should be right here. So pick a plane, right there, pick that plane. I'm going to rotate back around, and then I want to click on this extrusion, pick new, and then see if I can pick this plane here. Or face, let's see if we can rotate around. Just does not want to pick that face. Let's see. We'll rotate a little bit more. Okay. Click it, pick new, pick this front face here. Now it's getting all messy. I'm going to say pick new again. I'm going to go to the front view, and I'm just going to move some stuff around here because this is not right. So I'm going to use the move tab. I'm going to move that extrusion. I'm going to find the end point and snap it to the other end point. There we go. And I go back to 3D view. Now we have to move in memory of, pick new. Let's see if we can. See if we can pick here. Just not want to pick. Oop. Undo that. Here we go. Sorry, it's going to take a little bit of moving around, but you'll get it. Click on the move command and move this in memory of our fallen soldiers. I'm just going to use the up and down arrows to center that. And then I'll look at it in 3D. I'm going to turn this work plane off really quick because I can't really see. Okay, there we go. So in memory of our fallen soldiers, it should be brass. It is. That looks good. So we're going to go back to the create ribbon up here, and we're going to enable the work plane. We're going to hit set, pick a plane, we're going to say OK, and we're going to select the front part of this bench, so right here. And then I'm going to activate the back view elevation. I want to select form, void extrusion. So void forms, so for a void extrusion, this can actually cut out a piece. That's what a void extrusion is. I'm going to select the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw this panel down here, this rectangle. And then it looks like we have a 2-inch offset, so I am going to click on the offset tool, put in 2 inches, and I'm going to uncheck copy because that will just delete it, which is really what I want to do, and then I won't have to do all that trimming like I did last time. And then we're going to use the fillet command. We're going to set a 1-inch radius and make some curves on here. going to set the depth of the extrusion to 8 inches. So we want it to end at 8 inches. And press apply. And then hit the green check mark, and then if we look at it in 3D, it makes a dent right there that goes back. Now it didn't go all the way through, so you can see that it's not going all the way through, and it's supposed to. So if we click on this extrusion, we can pull this back a little bit more. If you click on wireframe, it's a little easier to see. But see what's happening is it actually was trying to start on this plane, and then we were in the back elevation, so that's why it did it. I think when they say back, they really mean front. So what we can do now to fix it is just in 3D view, we can click on this extrusion, and then we can just pull this backwards. So you can grab the arrow and you can, oops, not that one. Sorry about that. Or what we can do is we can have the start be at, I'm going to have the start be at 8 inches. Let's try that. Or not. How about this? Let's delete that extrusion. Let's do the right thing. We want to go to the front view. And let's just repeat that process because it's having some difficult times. Create void extrusion, the rectangle. I'm going to offset this rectangle 2 inches. Starting here. That didn't work the way I wanted it to. Starting here and going here. Using offset 2 inches. Putting the radius on here. Oh, yeah, check radius first. Sorry, trying to rush. Okay, hit the green check mark. Now look at it in 3D. Oh, I knew what I forgot to do. Is it's still putting it way back there. Let's see if we can pull this through. Here we go. Well, there it is. So now we have a bench. It says in memory of our fallen soldiers. And it has the extrusion through the bench area.